Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. I'm excited this year, 5 a week for 5 weeks, 25 projects coming out to you Monday to Friday, all video projects of course, and this is today's. Now for the last couple of days I've been doing die cutting, and I said, I'll tell you on Thursday why my clear plate looks like this, and actually I have 3 that look like this. So I'm showing you a project and also sharing my customer thank you gifts for this month. And I put these little projects together. These are the mini Curvy Keepsake, and I think I posted a photo on Instagram that then shared across to my business page, and everybody said, how big are they? They look adorable, but how big are they? And I had so many questions, and I said, well, you know, they're about 2 inches. Well, they are 2 inches, and you can get one from a piece of 6x6. And then I thought, do you know what? I'm going to put one in the post to every single one of my lovely, amazing shoppers from August. So while I was on holiday a week or so ago, I sat and die cut 3 packs of DSP, because you get 48 in a pack. I have none left, so I can't even die cut another one for you. 48, so yeah, that's best part of 150 of them, well, obviously minus these, and put them together as a little kit. So I also die cut a shape, but inadvertently die cut Whisper White. I've got some linen thread in there and a little mini clip, and we sat and did them all. And this is what they look like. This is what I brought home from holiday. Yeah, billions of them. So I thought, and like I say, I now can't cut one out because I haven't got any of that paper left. So let me just grab a random piece of 6x6 just to show you. I'm not going to cut another one because, you know, I'm kind of getting short on all the paper, but you only need a piece of 6x6 like that. It fits. Tra-la, hello, amazing. And it comes, obviously it is a bundle, so you get all of these little tag tab shapes as well. So you get the element, or you know, the main part of it. There's 5 little tags, so I don't cut those, but yeah, managed to take Whisper White on holiday with me. Oops. Instead of Very Vanilla, so everybody who shopped with me, I'm really sorry you got Whisper White. Because it was only as I was halfway through bagging, I'm thinking, why does that not look right? Yeah, realised why. I couldn't stamp anything because we're not allowed to send stamped images at all. But you can put your own greeting on here. But I wanted to give you a couple of thoughts, not tips per se, but a couple of thoughts on putting the little curvy box together. So that's how it came to everybody, or it will be coming to everybody. A couple of thoughts. Firstly, you don't need glue. That's great. You don't need glue. I will show you, it's on this one. I'm going to give you a tip to stop that happening. And you just grab your bone folder and gently curl all of the bits. That's the first thing. You don't have to, if you don't mind that. That was the one that, and I did about 3 of them before I thought, oh, I wonder what happens if I curl it. So it won't happen to everyone, all of them, but I didn't want it to happen to any more. So that's my first tip. And obviously it is scored on the base. My other tip, and you might not notice, there is a little score line right here at the top on both those panels. Fold gently back. Okay, so you've got that shape. And then after that, you don't really need to think too much more, because that's going to go round and hook. That's going to go round and hook. Oh, I've done that the wrong way round. I wanted the blue on the top. So it's a hook system, no glue needed. I loved our other Curvy Keepsake. I didn't like the fact that I had to cut 2 separate pieces and glue them all together, because I never managed to get it straight. And I didn't use it as much as I would have otherwise done. But that gives you a better shape to that one, because you can see it, like, the only way I can describe it is it's almost that it's collapsed in on itself. There was another one, I don't think I scored that one, no, because it's got a slight kind of, all, not a crease, but you can see it. And I think I might have done the rest. No, I didn't do that one. I can tell I didn't do that one because that's sunk in there. So that would be the tip I would give you. And then after that, oops, do your stamping on the correctly coloured piece of paper. So I've got these sentiments here. I'm going to go with Sweet Treat. There it. Oh no, I don't think I'll fit that. Well, I'll not worry about it for now. But it was probably easier to stamp than die cut. That onto there. I want this to be the front. Oopsie. Grab hold of those, and then I gave everybody one of our little mini library clips. Again, I've had quite a few questions about those. People have said, how small are the small ones, Sam? Just actually, how small are they? Pretty small. So, you should have seen me cutting linen thread. We were in a lodge in the Peak District. It was absolutely beautiful. And I had a little production line going on. So there we go, onto there. Adorable little treats. Everybody got one of those from me. Normally I send a handmade card and then a product gift and then the hostess code gift. And this time around, I gave you a gift you can make yourself, as well as other gifts. Oh, there's some goodies. Loads of gorgeous goodies went out in the post this month. So, oh, and it's new catalogue day today. Oh, I've just realised I'm filming in advance. You can order this now. Now. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. I hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.